Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix apps not working issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. Click on Play Store app. And click on this profile icon and click on updating available. And if you want to fix this problem, so select your app from here. After select app, click on update. You will see your app is update. You will see. After update app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search specific app from here and click on app. Click on storage. If you want to fix this problem, click on clear cache and click on clear data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last option is software update. Click on settings app, click on software update and click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix apps not working issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.